Welcome to getincity.com. Today we will see how to send the SMS using internet. First, just visit our website getincity.com. After that, just click on sms.getincity.com. Now you can see the login screen in front of you. You will get one username and password to push your SMS. For example, I will show you how to send the single SMS after login with username and password. Just click on login. Now we have entered in the control panel from where we have to send the SMS. You will find different tabs in left side, that is send SMS, job management, address book, reports, user profile and utilities. As soon as you entered in a control panel, you will find your balance, means how much balance is available in your login account. Means you can push the SMS as per the amount credit balance in your account. We will see how to send a single SMS. Just click on send SMS button. Okay, now you will find three buttons: single SMS, bulk SMS and group SMS. We will cover one by one. Single SMS first. It's very simple to send the single SMS. Just enter the mobile number on which number you want to send the SMS. Sender is nothing but a 6 letters identification for your company. Means when you will send the SMS in his inbox, these 6 letters will be displayed on top. Okay, I am selecting one of these, that is GetInC. Basically two types of SMS are there, that is promotional SMS and transactional SMS. So in transactional SMS you will get the sender ID. In promotional, a numeric number will be there. The difference is transactional SMS will delivered on DND plus non-DND, but in promotional SMS only non-DND numbers SMS will be delivered. But here if you select the sender ID, that is 6 letters, it will delivered on DND number. Whatever message you want to send, just type in message box, type the mobile number, select the sender ID, and now you can press on send button. Suppose if you want to send the SMS on a particular date and time, means today evening at 6 PM this particular message should be delivered. So at that time just click on schedule and select date to schedule. See, the particular month is in front of you. Select the date and select the time. From here you can set the time. Just set the time on which particular time you want to send the SMS. So no need of sitting in front of computer. At that particular date and time SMS will be delivered. But right now we will send at this time only. So just click on send. See here, you will get the message sent successfully. Now you can check your mobile inbox. You will get the message. So this is as simple to send a single SMS. In next session we will see how to send the bulk SMS.